Lookiero works is you get a box like this, comes in the post. You get inside, you get style cards, which I'm not going to look at because I'm on that excitement. You get your invoice as well, with the letter. You can choose to do a monthly box or a however often you want a box, or just a random box, and the stylist picks you 5 things and you send back what you don't like, and you don't pay for what you don't keep. So you're invoiced for this. You pay a styling fee, but you're invoiced for actually what you keep after you've made that decision. So you go onto the website, mark what you're going to keep. That's when your credit card your bank account details are debited with what you're keeping. What you don't keep, you put back in an envelope that they supply in the box, and you take it to Hermes around. So I'll be dropping what I don't keep back in my bag to Hermes tomorrow. I'll go onto the app and I will make a note of what I'm keeping, and my payment details will be debited with the amount. The styling fee will come off what I'm paying, so as long as I keep one thing, I don't lose my styling fee. You get a little card inside, and that is just sort of a little letter from your stylist. And really, that's all. It's very, very simple. Down below, you'll find a code that if you wanted to try Lookiero, you use my code on checkout and it will give you a discount on, not the styling fee, it will give you a discount on your first box items that you keep. And that's simple. That's it.